Hello and welcome to our channel. In this today videos, we will dive deep into the facts and information you need to know about cryptocurrency in 2023. Before we proceed, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Part 1. Understanding cryptocurrency. To start off, let's first define what cryptocurrency is. Simply put, cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. Cryptography is a method of protecting information by transforming it into an unreadable format, and is used in cryptocurrency to ensure that the transactions are secure and anonymous. Cryptocurrency transactions are made possible by a decentralized system that operates on a technology called blockchain. Blockchain is a distributed ledger that records all transactions in a secure and transparent manner, making it impossible to tamper with the data. Part 2. History of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency has come a long way since its inception in 2009 with the creation of Bitcoin. Since then, we have seen the emergence of thousands of other cryptocurrencies, each with its own unique features and benefits. Some of the early challenges that cryptocurrency faced included a lack of understanding and acceptance by the general public, as well as regulatory hurdles. However, as more people began to understand the benefits of cryptocurrency, adoption rates increased and it became a viable alternative to traditional banking systems. Part 3. Advantages of cryptocurrency. So, what are the advantages of using cryptocurrency? One of the main benefits is the high level of security and privacy that it offers. Transactions are encrypted and verified by a decentralized network of computers, making it virtually impossible to hack or manipulate. Another advantage is the speed and efficiency of transactions. Unlike traditional banking systems that can take days or even weeks to process transactions, cryptocurrency transactions are completed within minutes or even seconds. Additionally, cryptocurrency offers low transaction fees and no middlemen. This means that users can transfer funds without having to pay high fees to banks or financial institutions. Another important aspect of cryptocurrency is its environmental impact. The mining process required to create new units of currency uses a significant amount of energy, leading to concerns about carbon emissions and climate change. Despite these challenges, the cryptocurrency market continues to grow. New currencies are being created all the time, and more businesses are accepting digital payments. Governments around the world are also exploring the possibility of creating their own digital currencies. Part 4. Risks and challenges of cryptocurrency. Of course, there are also risks and challenges associated with using cryptocurrency. One of the main challenges is the volatility of the market. The value of cryptocurrency can fluctuate rapidly and unpredictably, making it a risky investment for some. Another risk is the potential for fraud and scams. Because cryptocurrency is decentralized and largely unregulated, it can be a target for scammers and hackers. It's important to be aware of these risks and to take necessary precautions when investing in or using cryptocurrency. Part 5. Future of cryptocurrency. So, what does the future hold for cryptocurrency? While it's difficult to predict the future, many experts believe that cryptocurrency will continue to grow in popularity and adoption. We are already seeing major corporations and financial institutions exploring the use of cryptocurrency in their operations, and governments around the world are taking steps to regulate and legitimize the industry. Conclusion. In conclusion, cryptocurrency is a fascinating and rapidly evolving world that offers many benefits and opportunities, but also comes with risks and challenges. By understanding the facts and information discussed in this session, you can make informed decisions about whether or not to invest in or use cryptocurrency. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope that you found this discussion informative and helpful. Thanks for watching.